In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get the purple pumpkin costume filter on Snapchat. Now this is a pretty cool filter because it'll track your own movement. It's an AR filter, so I'll show you how it works. To get the purple pumpkin costume filter, you have to tap on the emoji icon next to the record button on the right hand side, and then you want to tap on the explore option at the bottom right, and then at the top underneath the search bar you have a couple of options. You want to tap on the world option, and now you can see the fourth option is the purple pumpkin costume filter. If I go ahead and tap on that, it's going to look for your body. Once it finds it, you'll be good to go, and you can record a video. It'll track your movement, so you can move your legs, you can move your arms, and that's pretty cool for Halloween. So that is how you get the purple pumpkin costume filter on Snapchat. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.